Today we're going to do a video tour of 41690 Woodhaven Drive West. The backyard is positioned for eastern exposure, so you can really enjoy the back patio. The views are amazing. So to the right you've got a 2-car garage. This home has been very well maintained, but it is dated, so it is ready for your personal touch. So you've got the first bedroom as soon as you enter. And then you've got a walk-in closet, very spacious. And then you've got ensuite bathroom, as I mentioned. And then as we go down the hall, you've got storage to the left. You've got washer and dryer. You do have a guest bathroom. This has been updated, so it's one thing that you would not have to refresh. You've got a nice sized dining room, a walk-in pantry there. This is a bonus room. A lot of people use it as a bedroom. It could be used as a game room. Very spacious. And then the views are absolutely amazing here. You've got open concept. So from the kitchen, you've got amazing views. You've got a little bar set up, as well as a gas fireplace, very spacious living room. Go ahead and open this up. And then upstairs is fully designated as a primary, and you're gonna see that here in a minute. These views are absolutely amazing. And then heading upstairs. So a lot of these homes have an atrium in them. The atrium has been closed off, so the actual usable square footage is higher than the 1808. But that room downstairs has more space, and then up here you've got a walk-in closet. So you've got 2 walk-in closets, but one is very large. And again, you've got the amazing views. You could turn this into a deck. And then that's a smaller walk-in, but this is what was added as they took away the atrium, and then this is just absolutely huge. And then ensuite, and then another nook here with storage. And that concludes your tour.